Hi friends and family, this is part 2 of last weekend's vlog because I didn't want it to be too long. So here we are at Marshall's. I found these adorable shorts from this brand 1822. They were so cute. They've been popping up everywhere for about $14.99 and the jeans were, I believe, $19.99. So I'm gonna have to try some more of these because I did buy a pair that I loved. This was a cute, adorable shirt with cute little detail. I believe it was a navy blue. Then this was an adorable shirt as well, but it was cropped and it had that stretchy material. And then I'm just kind of skimming through here, seeing the t-shirts they had. This was also a really cute black top. It had some puffy sleeves. It's really hard to show on camera, which I was kind of bummed about because I didn't realize that till later, but I liked the little detail there of that puffy sleeve. Super cute. And then there was this really cute little red romper, and that was adorable too. Beautiful color. Then they had a bunch of these kimonos, I think. This was a really cute nude colored dress. I really wanted to buy this, but I thought it was too much of my skin tone color, so I didn't. And then these were just all beautiful. They had such a great variation or variety of colors. These were about $12.99 and they were just so cute. I couldn't decide what color I wanted or if I even needed one, but man, that would have went cute with so many different things. Like I said, I wouldn't even know which one to get. They just had so much in stock. I was very pleased with that. You'll see later why I say that. And then here are the purses. They had this really cute nude colored purse here. I thought it was adorable, but looking at it, the lettering was upside down there. And this purse was still a pretty penny. It was, what is that? $20. So that was a little silly. These little bags, these bucket bags were adorable as well with the little scarves. Super cute. I like those little scarves on there. Like, I like that little detail. This was another really pretty purse with the little wallet. Then they had these really cute little mini teeny tiny purse. I sort of thought about getting for vacation, but I didn't. And then here was just a few other. I really liked this purse. However, I could find this through Shein for like $8.99, so I passed that up. This was an adorable carry-on backpack for flights. But I already have a carry-on from Pink, so I didn't get it. I love Jessica Simpson's things. She's just got nice stuff on her line. I love it all. This was an adorable bag as well. I don't really know this brand. For Rally, I guess. And then this was a super cute on-trend bag. I loved that bow in the nude color. Some more pink ones. Then they were quite stocked with these Colorado Rockies stuff. Some more of these jelly bags that seemed to be coming into style. This was like a little jelly bag too, on sale for $10. That was adorable with the chain link strap. They had a lot of different colors. I tried to find the price on this one and I struggled with one hand because I'm still not good at recording. They also had those little heart bags. I wish I would have got this. Looking back at this video, for $12.99, I love that nude colored bag. Oh my gosh, I need to try and go back for it this week, maybe. This was cute too. Just to show you, look how bare the makeup is. Hardly anything. Even their little sponge area was kind of dead. These were eyelashes and hardly anything there. Eye makeup, like mascara and stuff, nothing there. I did look, they did have quite a bit of the organizers, which was nice. I kind of wanted this brush holder. That was really cute. May need to go back for that. I don't know. We'll see. I thought they did have a decent selection of that. They had these little things that we saw last week from TJ Maxx, also for $7.99, and then that marble blue one. Here's their eyeshadow selection here. You can see it's very cleaned out. Hardly anything there. Just a couple of pixies. Then I saw this really cute BH Cosmetics for $6.99, I believe. That was a really cute, pretty palette, but I passed on it. That was a pass for me, so yeah. Hey guys, I did not find anything at Marshall's that I wanted to buy. I was they had a lot of good stuff, but just not for me. I was like, can I live without this? Yes. So I won't have a try-on portion for that since I didn't buy anything. But I'm finally here at Ross to return the shoes that I bought. So yeah, we will be home soon. I was so excited to see these cute Guess shoes. I love Guess shoes. Like, I have probably every color or pair that they've ever had in Ross. I also thought these were really cute. I didn't catch the brand on these, but look how adorable those are. I wish I would have seen what brand that was. And then just a few randoms, you know, kind of looking through, seeing what's going on in the world of Ross today while we're here. Didn't really see too much. I did find some Steve Maddens that I thought were really cute, similar to the Guess shoes. I liked those. I hadn't seen this before, and those were on sale for reduced for $22.99. Yeah, just kind of skimming through shoes. There's some more Guess.
Love you.
This cute little jean dress. These really pretty white jeans. I wish they would have had in my size. They have this really cute, adorable boho skirt as well. Looks very stretchy for $8.99. And then I found these adorable pinstripe sage green ankle pants. I should have bought these. I'm like kicking myself now. As they felt super comfortable. They're like my color this season. And then of course those peach colored pants. This was a really pretty skirt, very sheer but very pretty. I thought I'd show that a little bit. And then we go through the purse aisle and you can see it's just cleaned out like nothing's going on. This was a cute little beach bag, but I already have one, but I thought about getting that. Yeah, this is like walking through the valley of death here. Just completely empty. Nothing much going on. There was this cute Adidas bag. It was a mini backpack. That like, I don't know, like a lilac purple color, I guess, for $15.99. And then just kind of seeing what they have, but there was those little jelly, oh, yeah. This green bag, super cute and on trend. I thought that was cute to share with you guys. And then they did have a couple of those jelly purses. You'll see there, they had like one or two, so not much. Then they had these awesome Jessica Simpson jeans, 1633. Flared at the bottom. I really liked those. Here's some makeup bags, and by now you probably can hear that noise in the background. At this point, I'm starting to feel like Romy and Michelle when she's like, I gotta get out of here. I gotta get out of here. And it's actually a toy gun. This was really cute. I loved this organizer set for your cosmetics, and I'm short and had little hands, so I struggled to find the price. I loved that. It was so pretty. Then they have this cute little thing here for $2.99, but it was broken. It found a mini caboodles. That was super cute and nostalgic. What else? Oh yes, they had this little bit of a pink colored drawers just like the other ones. And then just some like random shampoo, lotions, and things. I also think around now you might be hearing a baby cry, so I don't know, man. I think with the empty shelves and being out all day, I was ready to go home after this for sure. Then we move on to the hair stuff. I was looking for another headband like what I found at TJ Maxx, but they didn't have anything that I was looking for in particular. This area seemed to be fairly stocked compared to the rest of the items around town. And then we kind of just skim through the makeup, and again, just bare as all heck, man. I thought this was cute for $5.99. I'd never heard of this brand. Oh, it's Paris Hilton. I guess I have heard of that. Hey guys, so Ross was worse than Marshall's because Marshall's wasn't really even bad. It was just that I didn't find anything that I couldn't live without. But Ross had absolutely nothing. Like, it's scary. You're gonna see in the video that, yeah, that the shelves were empty and everything. And here's a little bit of a rant. I just don't understand how Denver, Colorado can not keep up with demand when there's places like New York and New Jersey where I watch all the time the Ross and TJ Maxx hauls or shop with me, and they have plenty of items. I just don't understand how this city is not keeping up with that demand. And this has absolutely nothing to do with the pandemic because this was before the pandemic. And obviously the pandemic has made it worse, but like I said, it was already like this before, so I have no clue why or what in the world is going on. So anyway, we're gonna get home. It's been a dreary day out, so my hair is frizzy AF. So, and I'm getting hungry, so we will talk to you soon. Okay, bye. Peace.